Folks, how are you? Shane the Shark Man coming to you from BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Soggy day, spring day, typical in Oregon. However, it does get better. It especially gets better when I'm going to introduce to you this 2022 4037 Ventana. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I mean, this is top of the line stuff. If I could afford it, I'd drive it. Good thing about being here right now is that there's really no birds in the sky, even though that looks like one has a really good shot. That's actually natural. So anyway, all jokes aside, that was pretty foul. Get it? Foul? Never mind. Anyway, so if you do like this video, please like and subscribe. That'd be great. We'd appreciate it. So we're going to take a look at this on the outside. It's got two slides on the passenger side, tons of storage underneath. And this is extremely well built. These, going down the road, when you're inside, you hear nothing because of the flooring underneath. Whatever the case is, we've got all kinds of good things. Frameless tinted windows, TV set, all the way around. We'll take another tour of it. Let's take a quick look at the other side. I don't run too well anymore. That's because of that spot. And this is a full wall slide, which is really, really rare, but excellent to have because it opens the entire coach up so that you've got tons of room. Literally, this is bigger than my first house I bought. Really, it is. All right, let's move inside, folks. See what we got. Feast your eyes, folks. Feeding frenzy here. Like I say, it's a Shark Man. This is gorgeous. Look at this. This is one of the best looking coaches I've ever seen. First of all, you start out, you got your two chairs here. You got storage in the middle here. Soft closed drawers. Look at that. They close by themselves. Isn't that nice? The whole entire coach is lit up like daytime. I mean, look at this beautiful sofa. I would see myself laying on this and just crashing, going to sleep with a nice adult beverage in my hand. Televator on the left-hand side here. Push of a button that goes up and down. One-touch lighting system as well. Right here and all over the coach. You can pretty much turn off all the lights that you need on and off right there. You got your little dinette booth here, which is perfect. This little sucker extends in case you need a little more room, which I would because I love to eat. But I'll tell you, Newmar makes one of the best products on the market. Hands down. And I'm serious about that. Okay, so moving back into the galley, you got your double sink. Look at that gooseneck. There's a little stretchy little water spout there. That'd be fun to have a water fight with, wouldn't it? Okay, then you got your, if I can pull them off, true induction. You put anything metal on there, heats right up. You could even, well, I'm not going to tell you you can touch it because then I could be sued if you touch it and get burned. So anyway, great sized microwave oven here. I can get the darn thing open. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Look at all the room in there. I mean, you could fit a ham in there, 2 full chickens, whatever you want to cook. Okay, moving back into this gorgeous, gorgeous motorhome, we have a half bath right here. Look at that sink. Got the bowl for it. Extra toilet there too. I mean, that's a guest bathroom, basically. Like I said, bigger than my first home. Whirlpool refrigerator, triple door, freezers down below, and surprise, look at all this. Well, you got to kind of push them first, and then they come out. That's your spice rack, your drawers, canned food, anything you can put in there. I'm telling you, top notch. And as we all know, storage is gold when it comes to RVs. Okay, moving back into the master suite. Wardrobes on the side here. Whoop. Phone's not included. Sorry, folks. That's mine. Nice size TV. Plenty of spacing down below there. Plenty of it. I mean, you can fit everything in there, including shoes. Also, this lifts up. And remember the dinette I showed you earlier? It extends out. These are 2 extra chairs you can pull out for guests or family. So, good storage space there. King size bed. Gorgeous. And look at that fascia. Gorgeous also. Everything's gorgeous. Finally, moving back in here to the bathroom, you have a hookup for a washer and dryer. I mean, it is basically a home on wheels. That's what a motorhome is anyway, but this is complete. Okay, and you can do that. We take care of that for you here if you so request it. Coming in also, look at this sink, vanity, plenty of space here, extra space over there as well. I mean, that's one thing that Newmar does well. And included, you've got a safe. Keep all your valuables and anything else you might need in there. And then the shower, of course, has a seat in it. Look at this. I mean, this is gorgeous. Literally right now, this is bigger than my shower at home. Not the size matters, but size matters. This is nice. Anyway, if you like what you see, like I said, like and subscribe. Come see me, Shane the Shark Man, here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. And I would tell you the price of this thing because it's off the hook. But it would start a feeding frenzy and you wouldn't get a chance to buy it. So come see me. We'll hook up. I'll buy you lunch. I'll buy you breakfast. And we'll talk about this gorgeous motorhome here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Shane the Shark Man signing off. Thank you.